This is a customized navigation pane or sidebar which I have created in Excel. Before creating the new format, let's see how it works. On left hand side, we have got our navigation pane or sidebar which is fully customized. We have got different buttons over here. Currently we are in Home tab. If I'll click on Timetable, we got diverted to Timetable sheet. In the same way, whenever I'll click on Employee Details, we are in front of Employee Details, Salary Sheet, Bank Details, Information, and Leave Details. When we come down and check sheet's name, we have got different sheets over here. In many scenarios, it may be possible that we have got various sheets. So by creating the customized sidebar or navigation pane, you can directly jump from one sheet to another. Excel also provides us navigation pane by default. For that, we will be going to View tab. In View tab, in the center, we get the option of navigation. I'll click on navigation, and on the right hand side, we can see our navigation pane. Whatever sheets are in the format are visible over here. If I'll click on salary sheet, we got diverted to salary sheets. But one major challenge over here. When I clicked on salary sheet, all the details of the sheet are visible, which are really not required. I'll have to minimize this to go to another sheet. Let's close this and let's start creating a navigation pane or customized sidebar. I have opened a new workbook in which I have got my data. We have got various sheets over here, and in this format, we will be creating our navigation pane. We will go to Insert, we'll come to right hand side. In right hand side, we get the option of Illustrations. In Illustrations, we get the option of inserting the shape. I'll select rectangle or square and will click over here. We'll align this to left and will resize this as per my requirements. So I have resized the shape till row number 29. We'll go on top. As soon as I inserted shape, on the top we can see Shape tab. I'll click on Shape. We'll come to left hand side. Over here we get the option of Shape Fill. Just after Shape Fill, we get the option of Shape Outline. I'll click on drop down and we'll select No Outline. Now I'll come to Shape Fill. We'll come down and we'll select Gradient. In gradient, we get lots of options. We can select any desired gradient of our choice. We'll go to shape fill once again, gradient, we'll come down and we'll select more gradients. On the right hand side, we can see three buttons. I'll click on center and we'll insert one more button. Now I'll change color. We'll change color of this also. We'll click over here and we'll change the color. We'll change color of last also. We'll take the second one to right and the first one to little bit more right. We'll come over here, more colors. We'll make it little bit more dark. We'll come to third one. We'll make it little bit lighter. Okay. We'll come to fourth one. This will be more lighter. Okay. And the last one will be extreme light. Okay. Now I'll close this. We'll go to insert, shapes, we'll come down and we'll select rectangle with round edges and we'll click over here. My shape got inserted. We'll adjust the shape as per my requirement. We'll go to shape format and we'll remove the outline, means no outline. We'll come down and we'll check sheet's name. First one is home. I'll double click on the shape and we'll type home. We'll click on the shape, we'll go to Home tab and we'll align this in center and in mid. We'll change the font style, we'll do as Arial Black. We'll increase the font size. Now I'll click on Shape, we'll press Ctrl and we'll drag it down. In this way, copy will be created. We'll create few more copies. So I have created 6 shapes. Let's count the number of sheets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'll come over here, we'll press Ctrl and we'll drag it down. In this way, 7 shapes got created. First one is home, second one is timetable. We'll rename the tab or shape timetable. We'll click on third, this is employee details. Fourth one is salary sheets. Fifth is bank details. After that, information and leave details. So we renamed all the shapes. Now I'll come to home. We'll go to Insert, Illustrations. In Illustrations, we get the option of icons. I'll click over here. On the right hand side, we can see icon pane. We'll come to right. In search icons, I'll type home. We'll select a desired shape. We'll come down and we'll click on insert. Shape of home got inserted. I'll resize the shape or icon. We'll come to timetable. We'll come to right and we'll look for time. We'll select the desired icon, insert. We'll resize this and we'll reposition in the timetable. Employee details. We'll come to right and we'll look for employees. We'll select a desired icon, insert. We'll resize this and we'll reposition over here. In the same way, I'll look for desired icons and will place on the desired shapes. So I have inserted all the icons. Now I'll go to insert, shapes, and we'll select square or rectangle. We'll click over here. We'll resize this. We'll take this on top. We'll go to shape format and we'll remove outlines. Means no outline. Now I'll drag this down and we'll change the color. We'll press Ctrl and we'll drag this to left. We'll click on the first shape. We'll press Ctrl or Command and we'll select all the shapes and we'll increase the size. We'll increase the size on left hand side also. Perfect. Now I'll click on second shape. We'll press Ctrl or Command and we'll select all the shapes. We'll go to shape format, shape fill, and from here I'll select no fill. All the colors got vanished. Now I'll select all the icons by pressing Ctrl or Command. We'll go on top in graphics format, graphics fill. I'll select white from here. We'll go to home, means I'll click on very first shape. We'll go to shape format and we'll change the color. We'll change the font color. We'll click on icon. We'll go to graphics format, graphics fill, and we'll change the color of graphics. So this is my home tab. Now I'll click on timetable. We'll right click the mouse. We'll come down and we'll click on hyperlink. We'll come to right. On the top, we can see three things: web page or file, this document, email address. We will click on this document. We'll come down. Over here, we can see name of all the sheets. I'll click on timetable. We'll come down and we'll click on OK. We'll come to employee details. We'll right click the mouse, hyperlink. We'll come to right and from here I'll select employee details. OK. We'll come to salary sheet. We'll right click the mouse, hyperlink. We'll select salary sheets from here and we'll do OK. Bank details. We'll right click the mouse, hyperlink, bank details, OK. Now we are left with information and leave details. We'll right click the mouse, hyperlink. We'll click over here and through down arrow key, I'll come down and we'll select information and we'll do OK. Leave details. We'll right click the mouse, hyperlink. We'll come down and we'll select leave details. OK. All the shapes got connected with sheets, but we haven't connected home yet. I'll click on home. We'll press Ctrl A or Command A and we'll select all the shapes. We'll press Ctrl C or Command C. We'll click outside. Now I'll click on timetable and we'll paste our shapes over here. Ctrl V or Command V. We'll click outside. Now I'll click on home button. We'll right click the mouse, hyperlink. We'll come to right and we'll click on home. We'll come down and we'll click on OK. Home button also got connected. Now I'll press Ctrl and we'll click on shape. In case you are using MacBook, you'll have to press Ctrl plus Command. We'll go to shape format, shape fill, and from here I'll do no fill. We'll change the text color, white, and we'll change the icon color. We'll go to graphics format and we'll do as white. Perfect. Now I'll click on any shape. We'll press Ctrl A or Command A. In this case, all the shapes will be selected. I'll press Ctrl C or Command C. We'll click outside. We'll go to employee details and we'll paste all the shapes over here. Ctrl V or Command V. We'll click outside. We'll go to salary sheet. We'll paste all the shapes. We'll click outside. Bank details. We'll paste all the shapes. In the same way, I'll paste all the shapes in information as well as leave details. So all the shapes got pasted. Now we will go to home. We'll come to left and we'll delete this shape. Now we will go to timetable. We'll press Ctrl and we'll click on the shape. MacBook users will have to press Ctrl plus Command. We'll go to Shape Format, Shape Fill, and we'll change the color. We'll change the font color as green. We'll click on icon. We'll go to Graphics Format, and we'll change the graphics color. Employee details. We'll press Ctrl. We'll select the shape. We'll go to Shape Format, and we'll change the color. We'll change the font color as well as graphics color. In the same way, I'll change the color of shapes in all the sheets. So I have changed all the colors from all the sheets. Now I'll go to Home. In Home, we can see the bar on right hand side. We'll go to Timetable and we'll delete this shape. Employee details, we'll delete shape from left. Salary sheet, we'll delete this from right. Bank details, we'll delete from left. Information, we'll delete from right. Perfect. We'll go to leave details and we'll delete from left. All the things are done. Now let's go to home and we are in home tab. Timetable, employee details, salary sheet, bank details, information and leave details. Perfect. So our customized navigation pane got created. In the same way, you can create your own navigation pane. I'll provide the link of file in description box. In case you want to download, you can.